Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the enlightening book Vegucation Over Meducation by Dr. Bobby Price. This thought-provoking read focuses on the transformative power of plant-based nutrition and how it can significantly impact our health. Dr. Price emphasizes that understanding our dietary choices is crucial for achieving optimal well-being. He argues that many health issues we face today can be traced back to poor eating habits, and he advocates for a shift towards a more plant-centric diet. Throughout the book, Dr. Price highlights the importance of educating ourselves about the foods we consume and how they affect our bodies. He provides compelling evidence that a vegan lifestyle can lead to numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved heart health, and enhanced energy levels. By choosing whole, plant-based foods, we can nourish our bodies while also reducing the risk of chronic diseases. As we explore the insights from Vegucation Over Meducation, we'll engage with the potential benefits of adopting a vegan lifestyle. Whether you're considering a complete dietary overhaul or simply looking to incorporate more plant-based meals into your routine, this book offers valuable guidance and inspiration. So, let's get started on this journey towards better health through informed dietary choices. The philosophy of vegucation. At the heart of Vegucation Over Meducation lies a powerful philosophy that prioritizes education about nutrition over reliance on medication. Dr. Bobby Price argues that many health issues can be prevented or even reversed through informed dietary choices. Instead of turning to pharmaceuticals as a first line of defense, he encourages readers to understand the profound impact that food has on our bodies. Knowledge is a key theme in this philosophy. When individuals are educated about nutrition, they are empowered to make healthier choices that align with their personal health goals. This understanding fosters a sense of responsibility and control over one's health, allowing people to take proactive steps rather than reactive ones. Moreover, the connection between diet and overall well-being is undeniable. The book illustrates how what we eat directly influences our physical and mental health. A plant-based diet, rich in whole foods, can lead to improved energy levels, better mood, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. By embracing the philosophy of vegucation, individuals can cultivate a lifestyle that not only enhances their health, but also promotes a deeper understanding of the food they consume. This holistic approach ultimately leads to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Understanding plant-based nutrition. In Vegucation Over Meducation, Dr. Bobby Price delves into the principles of plant-based nutrition, defining it as a diet primarily composed of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. This approach emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods while minimizing or eliminating animal products. By focusing on these nutrient-dense components, individuals can enjoy a wide array of flavors and textures while nourishing their bodies. One of the standout benefits of a plant-based diet is its rich nutritional profile. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Whole grains provide fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Legumes are an excellent source of protein and can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Together, these foods create a balanced diet that promotes vitality and well-being. Despite the numerous advantages, there are common misconceptions about plant-based eating. Many people believe that it lacks sufficient protein or essential nutrients. But with proper planning, a plant-based diet can meet all nutritional needs. Dr. Price addresses these myths, encouraging readers to embrace the diversity of plant foods available. By understanding the principles of plant-based nutrition, individuals can make informed choices that lead to a healthier lifestyle. Health benefits of a vegan lifestyle. Adopting a vegan lifestyle can lead to a multitude of health benefits, as highlighted in Vegucation Over Meducation by Dr. Bobby Price. Research has shown that vegan diets are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Studies indicate that individuals following a plant-based diet often experience lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and better blood sugar control, all of which contribute to overall health and longevity. In addition to research findings, personal testimonials and case studies provide compelling evidence of the positive impact of veganism. Many individuals have shared their transformative journeys, reporting significant weight loss, increased energy levels, and a reduction in medication for chronic conditions after switching to a plant-based diet. These real-life stories serve as powerful motivators for those considering a dietary change. Moreover, it's essential to think about the long-term benefits of plant-based eating. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich foods, individuals can not only enhance their immediate health, but also reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases later in life. Embracing a vegan lifestyle is not just a short-term trend. It's a sustainable choice that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant future. So, why not explore the possibilities of a plant-based diet for your well-being? Practical tips for transitioning. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can feel overwhelming, but with a few practical steps, it can be a smooth and enjoyable journey. Start by gradually incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine. Aim for meatless Mondays, or try replacing one meal a day with a plant-based option. This gradual approach allows your palate to adjust while you explore new flavors and ingredients. To make the transition easier, consider utilizing resources like cookbooks and websites dedicated to plant-based recipes. Books such as Forks Over Knives and The Plant-Based Diet for Beginners offer a wealth of delicious recipes and meal plans. Websites like Minimalist Baker and Oh She Glows provide easy-to-follow recipes that cater to various tastes and dietary preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment with new foods and flavors. Visit your local farmer's market to discover seasonal fruits and vegetables, or try out different grains like quinoa, farro, or barley. Incorporating spices and herbs can elevate your dishes and make plant-based meals exciting. Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet is a personal journey, so take your time, enjoy the process, and celebrate each small victory along the way. Embrace the adventure of discovering a healthier, more vibrant way of eating. Addressing common challenges. Adopting a vegan lifestyle can come with its share of challenges, and it's important to recognize these hurdles as part of the journey. One common barrier is navigating social situations, where friends or family may not understand or support your dietary choices. Additionally, cravings for familiar comfort foods can make the transition feel daunting. To effectively overcome these challenges, communication is key. When attending social gatherings, consider bringing a delicious plant-based dish to share, which can spark interest and show others how enjoyable vegan food can be. If you find yourself craving non-vegan foods, try to find plant-based alternatives that satisfy those cravings. For example, if you miss cheese, explore nut-based cheeses or nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without the dairy. It's also essential to reassure yourself that facing difficulties during this transition is completely normal. Many people experience ups and downs as they adjust to a new way of eating. Remember, it's a learning process, and every small step counts. Surround yourself with supportive communities, whether online or in person, to share experiences and tips. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, and celebrate your progress along the way. With patience and persistence, you can successfully navigate the transition to a vegan lifestyle. Conclusion: in this video, we've explored the transformative insights from Vegucation Over Meducation by Dr. Bobby Price, emphasizing the critical role of education in making informed dietary choices. Understanding the principles of plant-based nutrition empowers individuals to take charge of their health and well-being. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-rich foods, you can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases and enhance your overall quality of life. We've also discussed practical tips for transitioning to a plant-based diet, addressing common challenges, and highlighting the numerous health benefits associated with this lifestyle. Remember, every small step you take towards incorporating more plant-based meals can lead to lasting positive changes in your health. As you consider exploring plant-based options, know that you are not alone on this journey. There are countless resources and communities available to support you along the way. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on health, nutrition, and wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.